Well, hi guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So today we're going to do something fun. Never mind the dress at the bottom on my dress mannequin. Look, I didn't even had a chance to put the zipper and all that up. We're going to talk about the jacket. Okay, the jacket I did not make, but I did some fun things to this jacket. So this is going to be an easy walk through DIY. If you guys got some old leather jackets and you're like, this jacket is so boring. I don't want to wear this jacket anymore. I want to do something different. So I went to Joann Fabric and I got these spikes right here. And I put spikes around and it comes on a roll. So a lot of times you want to, when you get this type of stuff from Joann, you want to catch it at regular price where you can download the 50% off coupons and be able to get this at 50% off. I believe it's like $19.99 a yard. So I got about 2 yards of this, but I took it around the sleeves. I took it up around the shoulders and I used the E6000. So you want to use a glue that is going to adhere and not fall off. Hot glue gun, a lot of times you putting on leather material, you walking around and everything is just poop, 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 falling off. And then I also use not safety pins, clothespin, because even though you put this on, it ain't just gonna stay because E6000 has to cure. So I use clothespins to hold it on there for 24 hours. Clothespin up here, and then I think down here, what did I use? I think a pin or something to keep it. So then look at the back. So at the back of the jacket, I took the spikes going down the back and then did it right here. Got two little crosses, put it right there, and it's up high. But the back of the jacket, I got these letters. Let me bend it back from Joann's. Y'all see that? And it says A. Marie. And the letters are sequence. And I believe those was iron on as well. But I didn't go to the process of trying to iron that on. I just used the E6000 and cured it to the jacket so that these stickers or whatever things won't be falling off. So then I make this a cool little jacket, a cool little leather crop jacket. So if you guys want to make some fun, cool jackets, I wanted to come on here and give y'all some ideas. Another good idea that I wanted to give you guys, if you're taking these leather jackets, if you have if you have an airbrush machine, and if you don't, that's fine too. But you can get the stencils, guys, and get the acrylic paint, and then you'll take the stencil, put it on the jacket, and use the airbrush and make little designs. When you see those jackets with a lot of the paint decal or your name or something like that, and then you guys want to get, after you put the airbrush paint on, if you have access to an airbrush machine. If you don't worry, you can get a can of spray paint, but make sure that the spray paint has a primer and paint in the can, and you'll lay the stencil on the jacket, guys. Lay it there and shake up the airbrush and go psh at a distance. And remember, the other stuff that you don't want the spray paint to hit kind of cover the jacket. Lay a towel or something over it, but you'll put the stencil on and lay it flat. Use the can of spray paint. If you don't have an airbrush machine, I do have an airbrush machine, but I normally just go right from the can and just use the spray paint. It's a lot better than I have to worry about cleaning my airbrush machine. So I just wanted to bring that to you guys. Something funky, something cool, something creative, just something to do. So when the fall come around, you can have these cool jackets, and you going to school. For the people that's in school or just out there, like, where do you get that jacket? You be like, I made it. They be like, no, you didn't. You be like, I made this jacket. I make this jacket. So you can do a lot of fun, cool things. So I wanted to bring that to you guys' attention and kind of let y'all see, some easy creative ideas, and, sit right there, So I kind of want to walk you guys through that, just showing y'all some fun, groovy, cool stuff that you can do for some fall jackets. So I hope that get the wheels turning and get you guys inspired to make some jackets. Maybe it's a jacket you don't want anymore. You're like, I don't want to do something different. Or go to the thrift store and find some jackets and do something groovy to them. So I just want to bring you guys something fun, something cool, something easy to do. And, my channel, sometimes it'll be a walk along. A lot of times I don't have to sit there and show y'all the process. Simple. E6000. I use clothespins to make it cure, and voila. That's what it is. So you guys have an awesome day. And I hope you guys create some jackets. And if you do, put the videos out there. I love to see them, guys. Thank you guys so much. And guys, hey, if you guys want to see some fun, cool, groovy stuff and see me in a different light, come over to my TikTok channel. It is A Marie Lace Wigs over on TikTok as well. Bye bye, guys.